Hey there, so in this video we are going to take care of one of the most important things, which is to finally add some product. And let's see, so I will start by adding a simple product. So you're in here, if you look up top right here, you see products, and here you will see add product. So I'll go in there, and some of this stuff right here is pretty self-explanatory. Title, so we can put in here, say, let's keep going with that same hipster hoodie name, and in description we could just add anything. So yeah, whatever you want to say here. And then this is your picture that you can add for and let's go with the same picture we have already in the home page. So now you have one picture, and you can keep adding more pictures if you have more pictures. So for now I'm going to leave it at 1. And down here you see pricing, price, compare it price. So what's this? It's compare it at price is like if you're reducing your price and you want to show that price was reduced, so it will show you this price with the strike through, and then this price is the current price. So for now, let's put in here, we can go with say $50, and here we can $40. And then cost per item, this is if you're trying to track your cost and everything, run some reports based on this. So you can add some cost here. Say the hoodie costs you say $5, and charge tax on this product, that's good there. If you are following some sort of stock keeping unit, you can add the number here, any sort of barcode, any of these other ISBN, UPC, GTIN, that data here. Track quantity, so if I uncheck this track quantity, you can see this lower section disappears. So what that is, track quantity, you want to keep some track on the quantity of the product. So in case it's a product, it's some digital stuff, unlimited quantity really doesn't matter, then of course you wouldn't care. But if it's really want to keep track of how much are available in stock, so you would want to track the quantity. So I will have this checked here. I can do say 100. Shipping, this is a physical product. Again, this is like if you have a digital product, of course, you know, it's not you don't ship that product, it's not a physical product, so you will uncheck this. But this is physical, I'll keep this checked. Weight used to calculate shipping rates as checkout. So this we'll get into the shipping rates and all that in a later video, but this weight here is for now. We can add, say, what would be the weight, say 3 pounds, I guess we can go with 3. And country, region, say you're in USA, you can check USA. So this harmonized system code, this has you don't have to worry about this too much. This has something to do with tariffs and stuff, so we'll leave this alone. The options, this product has options like size or color. So this here, now if you have a product with, of course, different variations like color and sizes and stuff, then you would want to check this way. You can then, you know, add different colors. You might want to charge different for different colors and stuff like that. So so what I'm going to do is, for this particular product, I'm going to keep it simple, just one it's just one type and there's no other variations of it. And I mean, it's a hoodie. Usually there would be probably other variations, but just to show you guys what a simple product would be without any variations. So I'm going to just save it right here. Alright, so it says added hipster hoodie. Go in here, we go to our catalog, and we cannot see anything yet. So what else we need to do actually is, you see this product status, it's still in draft, so you have to make it active. So, and then make sure down here online store is selected, and what you see here is like schedule availability. What that is you can even like schedule products, like they will be inactive, but you schedule them to show up in like say 3 days, a particular date, and then they will go active on that date. So this is pretty useful. And vendor here, we can just add anything here. And product type standard, if you click on it, you can see what there's different types here, and apparel and accessories, and then clothing, activewear, one pieces, shirts, skirts, swimwear, all kinds of different variations here. So I will what if we just leave it at that? And then you have collections. So collections is another topic we can get into later. Collections, you'll have all kinds of different collections of your products, and then the product you're adding here, you want that added to a product you already have, the collection you already have. So you can just go ahead and specify that here. If I click here, you can see it brings up this home page. That's like one collection that's available. But we're not even using any collections yet, so I'm going to leave that alone. Tags, this is good to add for SEO, and you could just anything related to it. You would say hoodie, and you could say hipster, I guess. You get the idea. And then online store, theme template, default product. So this is our default product template. So templates, in future we can create different types of templates. So for example, you don't always want to maybe lay out your product the same way. Maybe you want slightly different variations depending on the product, so you'll have different templates. For now, in the beginning, just keep the default product template. Alright, so now that we did all that, let's see now if we save and go back here and refresh this page, and look at that. So we have our first product. Here is our product. This is what I was saying, compare ads. See, there's a strike through. This is showing it's a sale. And if I click on this product, it will take us to this page. This debut theme has this by default. You can kind of zoom in to the product. It's pretty cool. And here you have add to cart and then buy it now. So pretty cool here. So we have one product added already. Now let's quickly add another product with some variations, I guess. And so let's go back in here, and what we can do is duplicate. This is pretty like, if you want to save time, a lot of these fields you think are the same, you can just duplicate it. Of course, title you'll have to change because it's gonna be the same. And here we could just say I guess I'm just gonna call this a hoodie for now. I'm running out of ideas for different hoodie names. What could those be? So select details to copy. All other details except 3D model images will be copied from the original. So okay, so you have the title here, and then it's basically asking what else you want to copy, right? You want to copy the images. I don't want to copy the images. Product status draft active. This we saw earlier. It was draft, and you had to set it as active. If you just want to keep working on it, keep it as draft, and then you can make it active later. For now, I'll just set this to active, and setting this duplicate product as active will make it available to one sales channel. So our sales channel, and this is another thing, like we could sell the product in different channels. For now, we're just focusing on online store, the Shopify online store. That's where we're selling. So it's basically telling you that it's gonna go active. Of course, if your site is all active already, you have traffic, you probably don't want to do that. So right now, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep it active and duplicate product. Alright, so now that I did that, now what we want to do was let's add a picture for this. I have a picture here, we could put that in there, and down here, if it's a different price, this one maybe we can get rid of this, that there is no sale, just one price, and we can do say $60. And cost here, maybe we have a $7 cost, and SKU we can give it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then continue selling when out of stock. So if you think that it's okay to keep selling the product while you're out of stock, depending on product, you can always come up with the quantity of where you could probably keep selling it. Check this, otherwise if this is not checked, the product will stop showing. And again, this is a physical product, so one main thing here compared to the other product is that we wanted to see this section here. This product has options like size or color. Now I'm gonna check this, and you can see right away this section opens up. So we will enter size here. So as you click in here, you can see it starts showing you some options. So this option, we want to keep it the size, and you can specify material, color, style. So I will just do size, and then here we will, first one we could do large, second one medium, and then small. Alright, so 3 sizes, and then I'm going to click done. You can see size, large, medium, small. Now also you're going to notice this section open up. Now it is treating each of that variation as a product that you can, you know, apply different attributes to. For example, maybe large one, you want to charge more money for it or something. So you can do that by specifying it here. You probably wanted to show a different image, so in case of size it might not make sense to you, but say color, for example, you want to show a different image for that color, so then you will specify that image here. So for the sake of this option, I will just leave this alone. What you could do is add another option, say here, and then go color, and here we could go mustard, and maybe another option we can go with, say, black, and hit done. Again, same thing. Now you see more options got added because we have the size. Now of course you could have a large in mustard, you could have a large in black, so you know, it just all possible combinations, it puts them here, because you might, this might be a combination that you want to charge different price for that option. So this is pretty cool. It gives you the option to do that. Now you could go and you could add a different image. Say here you click, so right now it's showing us that image we added as the main image, but if you want to show a different image, you could do that here. Click here and specify that image for this variation. So this is it, and now what we can do is just save this. Alright, now if we go to our catalog, there we are. Now you can see it's saying sold out here. So it's good that you can see that, and now we can go back and look what is it that we did that it is making this product show as sold out. So let's go down to right here actually. So as you can tell, quantity in the simple product, there was like one field quantity. Now we have all these variations, and you see all this quantity column is all 0. So everything is 0, then of course it's going to show as 0. So you have to specify something here. So let's go, we can specify, say 10 of each. And another thing you will notice is how it generated these numbers here. So again, you can, this is the SKU, and you could just click in here and specify whatever SKU you want. And that's it, and let's just save this and go back. And you can see that sold out went away. So now if we go in here, same products showing. Now look at the difference. This time we are also seeing size and color. So you can specify which size you want, and then also specify the color. Now we didn't add any picture for the other color, but if we did that, you would, when select black here, it will change the color to you know, that other image you upload. And that's pretty much it for now. We added a product with some variations. We also added a simple product, and that's it. You have some products showing on the site. Catch you guys in the next video.